Hey, Oma.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
What took so long?
I'm so sorry for keeping you two waiting. I had to take my sick mother to her sister's place. Good morning, Mr. Eric. Good morning, Mr. Basti.
Good morning. Good morning. Let me take you back to the car. Eric, I think you should transfer 50% of the money to our account before you leave. Yes, please. And also, her mother is aware that she's coming to me. Take good care of her. I don't want you to do anything that will cause disrespect. And again, this time around, don't act smart. Please. Okay, no problem. Good luck to you guys, bro.
Thank you, Mr. Basti.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. Son is here.
Mama.
Come here. Welcome
I've
home.
missed you.
Me too. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mom, yes, this is my wife-to-be. Her name is Omasiri, but we call her Oma. Honey, this is my amazing mother.
It's nice to meet you, Ma.
Eric, she's beautiful. I've always known you have eyes for good things. Come here, darling. You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, please take her to the room and take her to see your father. While I go to the kitchen to prepare something.
All right, Mom.
Thank you,
dear.
Ma.
You're welcome again.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. My reason for being here finally hits me. We need to close gaps.
Yes.
Okay. You know they'll ask questions like, where did we meet? How long have we been dating? And the likes of that. And our response must correspond. So let's put things together.
Yeah, we have to actually.
Okay.
Anyway, let me take you to the room.
What's that smile on your face? I'm serious.
Let's go.
Mama, why are you up?
My dear, I want to get ready for work.
Which work?
My cleaning work now. Do I have another one?
No, Mama, you're not going anywhere. You will take your drugs and then you will rest so the medicine can work properly. You're not going anywhere. Don't you know that it's the stress from this work that is causing you all this sickness? You're not going to die your cleaning job today.
That cleaning job you're talking about is where we earn our income from. From there, I trained you in school to university. And even pay our house rent too.
Mama, thank God I've paid the rent for the year. From the savings I saved for my service. So don't worry about that one. That one is settled. But you see this today work, we are not going anywhere. You will drink this medicine like I said before. And you will rest. Don't stress yourself, please. No. And if it's too important, I will go on your behalf. I will go and do the cleaning myself.
No. You want to go and clean people's houses and toilets with your university degree? No. See, what I want for you is for you to work in big offices and big money. Just like some girls that work in one of the offices I used to clean. In fact, they drive cars too. That's what I want for you. I know. clean people's houses and everything.
Mama, we do that. But for now, for today, I will do your job. Oh, just give me the addresses of the place you're supposed to go and work. I will go there myself and clean it. Is it not just cleaning? I will clean it and that's it. Yeah. Mama, you know you are not going to win this argument. Because you must drink this mercy and sleep. So that you will get better for me. Please. Please, now.
Okay,
Yeah?
okay, thank you,
Don't
my
worry.
dear. Ada, Mama.
Mama,
Thank
you'll
you,
be
my
fine,
dear.
oh.
Who is it? Hold on. I'm coming.
Good morning, Mr. Bassi.
Good morning.
It's me, Oma, the cleaner's daughter.
Oh, Oma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
I'm so sorry. I couldn't remember.
It's okay.
'Cause the last time you came with your mother, I was on my way out. So sorry.
That's fine.
But how is she?
She's sick. That's why I'm here to do her job, sir.
So sorry about that.
Thank you.
But she actually told me that you had gone for youth service the last time we asked after you. How was it?
Service is over now, sir. It's just fine.
It was fine.
Yes, thank you.
So you're welcome.
Thank you.
So like they say, the floor is yours. But over there is the guest room.
Okay.
But please, I have a visitor. So you knock before you go in.
Alright, I'll remember that.
When you're done, you come upstairs.
Alright. Thank you, Mr. Bassi.
Okay, I'll be upstairs.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
bathroom. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Hey. Sorry, who are you?
I'm the cleaner's daughter. I'm here to clean your room. I just finished cleaning, actually.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. The cleaner doesn't have a name?
My name is Oma.
Oma. That's a nice name.
Thank you.
Hey. Before you pass, you have to kiss me.
That's not possible. Excuse me.
Oh, come on. She almost kicked my balls. She's wild.
Savasi. I'm done.
Really?
Yes.
Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, so it's month end. I'm going to transfer your mother's money into her account.
Okay, sir.
Yes, but before then, have this for your transport back home.
Thank you, sir.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much.
Yeah. So, Oma,
Sir?
now that you're done with your youth service, I will see what I can do to help you secure a job.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Because that's a promise I made to your mother.
Oh. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. So, you said you're done, yeah?
Yes. Thank you very much.
My regards to you, okay?
Darling, what do you want to eat here? I'll bring your food upstairs.
I think I'll eat in my room upstairs. I need to lie down and rest a bit.
That's fine. Let me take you there. Sorry, please just take it.
Yes, I have just been discharged today, and I was one to slow down on my work. Yeah. Well, I'm more concerned about the overseas office. When you come back, we'll discuss it. Your elder brother? That one hardly stays in the office. So how can you entrust him with overseas management? His biggest problem is women. And I have told him that I will not take him serious and give him bigger responsibilities until he gets married. Yeah, I can assure you that wherever he is now, it is with women. Because I have not set my eyes on him since this weekend. Please round up quickly. There's a lot you can do for me so that I can rest. Okay, take care. Bye.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, Eric. Where are you? Eric, your father fell sick, was admitted in the hospital, and now he's been discharged. And the doctor advised him to rest and take it easy with work. And you're nowhere to be found. Now listen, the doctor has warned your father to stay off work. Now it has come down for your father to hand over the management of his company to either you or your younger brother. Eric, I am warning you. I am warning you to be more responsible. Just imagine, your younger brother is out of the States on official duty. And you are nowhere to be found. You are busy frolicking and clubbing with women. Later you will say your father favors your younger brother over you.
Mom, look, it's not a secret. He likes him more than me. Despite the fact that I'm the first son.
And whose fault is it? Whose fault is it, Eric? Your constant womanizing makes you so unserious. Tell me, which young girl in your father's company have you not slept with? And that is one of the reasons why he removed you as the general manager and replaced you with your younger brother. Eric, that is why we have been begging you to get married so that you can take your life more serious.
But Mom, that's exactly what I'm working on. Okay, I'm planning on coming to the house to visit you people with my fiance.
A fiance. Hallelujah. Eric, what are you waiting for? Please bring her home fast. Bring her home.
Yes, Mom. I'll do that, okay? I'll talk to you later.
See you soon, son.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello, baby.
Hey, my love. I've missed you.
Oh, I'm glad you called, baby. You know, there's something I've been wanting to tell you. Marriage is on my mind.
Really?
I want to settle down.
That's exactly the reason why I wanted to talk to you. When are you going to be done with your course?
I'm almost done. Give it 1 or 2 weeks maximum.
Okay, baby, I cannot wait to see you.
Same here. Look, baby, I have to go because I'm still at work. Talk to you later.
Oh, okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Yes. Just a wife before he can give me an office in his business. I mean, that is putting me under so much pressure that I have to produce a fiance before Kelly comes back from PH.
And you told your parents that you have a fiancé that you're going to present to them by weekend. Why did you say that?
Well, I had to say that to calm my mom. And also, I didn't want my dad to give the office to my brother. The big issue now is that I have to present a fiancé in the next 3 days.
And your girlfriend is not even in town. And she's not even ready to come back anytime soon.
Well, I called her and yes, she's not coming back in a week or 2. But whoever I'm going to present to my parents as my wife-to-be just has to be fake.
I don't understand.
Look, the woman I'm going to present to my parents as my wife-to-be will not be a real woman. I mean, will be someone who I'll just put there. But of course, we're not going to get married anytime soon, right? So by the time we keep this up and Celine comes back from her trip, then I can tell them that the woman I've come with has broken up with me, and then I'll present Celine as my woman-to-be. Simple.
Smart thing though. But there's a problem. Who are you going to present to them?
Um, I'll have to call Janet. I mean, she has to have my back on this one.
So what's the business you said you wanted from me?
Janet, my love, come on now. And please greet me first.
Your love. Really? Eric. Say what you want to say, please. Let me hear it first.
Can I offer you something to drink?
Thank you. I'll pass.
I see. Okay, let's get straight to business. Janet, I really need a big favor from you. There's a need for my dad to send either I or my brother overseas to run a new office, which was supposed to be originally me. But he said he wouldn't do so until I get married. Yes, he doesn't take me seriously. And he asked me to provide a fiance in the next 2 to 3 days, or he'll give the opportunity to my brother. And I don't want that to happen. So please, I need you to step in and play that role for me. I would really appreciate it.
I knew it. I knew you needed a big favor from me. So what happened to Ella? Why didn't you call her?
Ella? Please forget about Ella. Ella is not a wife material. She looks like a prostitute.
Yet you were shagging her. You were shagging her while both of us were dating. My best friend. And now you need a favor from me. You want me to go and pretend to your dad that I am your wife to be, right? I'll do no such thing. I'm not going to fool the old man. Did you hear me? I will do no such thing. I have a fiance now. Yeah. So, if that is the reason why you called me to do this dirty game, this dirty deal with you, no way. And if you're done, can I go? Do you have more to say?
From the look on your face, I can tell it didn't work.
I mean, I must have offended Janet in the past.
Janet is a wife material. Should have proposed marriage to her.
Proposed marriage to her? How? She was already engaged.
So, what next?
Well, I have to move to plan B. Joyce.
Yeah. It is true that I cannot be in London, but you can represent me. Just carry me along as the transaction progresses. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Keep me posted. Okay then.
Darling, you're still making business calls. Have you forgotten the doctor asked you to rest?
Yeah, I'm resting. I just needed to sort some things out.
Please, you need to rest. I beg you. Hmm?
Yeah, I'm resting.
Darling. I'll suggest we let Eric monitor the London office while you take time to rest.
Yeah, I'm yet to decide which of the boys will go there. There are a lot of things to consider.
Well, you're right. Hmm? It's fine. Okay. How are you feeling now?
Well, just there, getting by.
You'll be fine.
Of course, I'll be
You're a
fine.
strong man, I know.
Ah!
Yes, I'm still here.
Is Eric there?
No, he went upstairs to get dressed. He wants to take me out. It's now he wants to take me out. What do you think?
That's Eric show you Pepe. This is the time to deal with him. Use the opportunity and marry him or blackmail him. You know, make plenty money out of him.
Marry or blackmail him? How? I don't understand.
When you meet his father, tell Eric that for real, he has to marry you or you will expose him to his father. He will be forced to marry you. If he refuses the marriage option, then he has to pay you 5 million or else he will tell his father.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, babe. I've been thinking of how to deal with him since he dumped me. Thank you, I'll call you back.
Alright.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Okay.
Well, unfortunately, my dad will not be around. He had an impromptu meeting that he needed to travel for, and he will not be back until Sunday.
No problem. I'm ready whenever you are. It's nothing. I'll help you on the matter.
Okay. Let me see you off now.
I thought I'm supposed to stay here with you till Sunday.
Well, that won't be possible anymore because I have to go see my mom. We need to make preparations for Sunday.
Okay.
I was just lucky to hear the conversation before I came downstairs.
So that's how you would have fallen into a trap. That girl is smart though.
Smart? She's not smart. Someone is asking her to do this. And that person is Jovita, because I know that Jovita hates my guts. Look, bro, all this aside, I have to come with a fiance by Sunday. If not, I don't know what I'll do.
Why don't you talk to Oma?
Talk to Oma. Me. Talk to the cleaner's daughter. Bro, are you joking? Are you really joking? How is she even going to play this role? She's not even clean. She can't even dress appropriately. Look at the class. How?
Eric, Oma is a very decent girl. She's not like every other girl you see in the street. She's intelligent and well educated. Forget the fact that she comes here to clean the place. When she is stressed, you will see the difference. She's beautiful and intelligent. I feel what you have to do is make it a deal. You can offer her like ₦1 million. With that, she will see it as a business. I'm sure she will accept because her family needs the money.
I think you have a point, bro. Because I have no plans or no intentions of marrying her at all. And our mutual dislikes for each other is present. I mean, she doesn't like me and I don't like her. It makes it easier for me to even front something like that with her. Other than with someone else who will probably start catching feelings and actually want to marry me. So this is a good plan.
Oma.
Yes, sir.
I called you because something came up.
Okay.
This might actually benefit you and help my friend here. And the money you will make out of this will go a long way for you while we wait to get you a job.
Okay.
My friend is under pressure from his parents to get married, but he is not ready. And he needs, as a matter of urgency, to present or introduce a fiance to them. You know, to use that to buy time before his girlfriend comes into town. Please, we need you to act as his fiance for a couple of days. Please, calm down. He's going to compensate you with the sum of ₦1 million. Please, Oma. Can you do that for us, please?
Thank you, Mr. Bassi. I would have stood up and left, if not because of the respect I have for you. Is this not deceitful? I mean, this is impersonation, and his parents might arrest me for it. I'm sorry, sir. I don't like the idea. I have to leave now.
Oma. Oma, please calm down. Please. Please sit. Please. Please, just sit, please. Oma.
Yes, sir.
I do not want you to think that I'm stupid by asking you to come here. Something good might come out of this, aside from the money that you'll be paid. So be patient. Let's get to the end of this conversation. Life is a risk, and nothing good comes easy.
I'm sorry, Mr. Bassi and Mr.
Eric.
I'm sorry, Mr. Eric, for almost walking out on you too.
And I'm sorry for the misunderstanding we had earlier.
Mr. Bassi, please, I would like some time to think about this. Can I call you later in the evening? maybe I will have my decision made then. Please.
Please, I'll be expecting your call.
Thank you.
Sorry about today. Sorry for the stress.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Please, my regards to your mom.
Okay, thank you.
There must be a reason this girl doesn't like you.
Yeah, well, I tried to rush her the other day in my bedroom and she almost kicked me in the balls.
What? Eric.
How are you feeling now?
My dear, I'm not feeling fine. I know it. Eh? Maybe you should go to the chemist and get me some drugs.
Mama, the drugs from the chemist are not working for you. I think we should go to the hospital. Let them run tests for you and start proper treatment. Please.
But you know we don't have that kind of money now. Eh? Maybe I should go to Njide's place and stay for a while. And there have her take me to their hospital.
Oh, Mama, I know Auntie is your younger sister. And I know she works at the hospital, but it's only as a cleaner. If you go there now, you'll go and heap to her own problems. We're not the only one with problem. Everybody is going through something. Eh? Mama, you know what? I was actually offered a job by Mr. Bassi. A very small job. I will take it. Though it will require me to be away for just a couple of days, but I will take the job like that. And once they pay me, I will send some money to you so you can go to the hospital. And when I'm done from the job, I will come and pick you and come back home.
Oh, my dear. God bless you. The spirit of your father will go with you and bring you luck. You will go in peace and come back in peace. My dear.
Sorry, we'll be fine. Hi. Sorry, fine.
Are you sure she's going to come?
Why not? Why not? We have no reason to doubt her. She's going to come. Let me just call her.
Hello, Mr. Bassi.
Hello, Mama. Mama, where are you? We've been waiting for you.
Yes, I'm close to your gate now. Yes, I'm coming. I'm close, sir.
You're already in my estate? Okay, fine. Please be fast.
You see me now.
Alright. She's already in the estate.
Okay.
Yeah. Here she comes. Hey, Oma.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
What took you so long?
I'm so sorry for keeping you two waiting. I had to take my sick mother to her sister's place. Good morning, Mr. Eric. Good morning, Mr. Basti.
Good morning. Good morning. Let me take you back to the car.
Eric, I think you should transfer 50% of the money to our account before you leave. Yes, please. And also, her mother is aware that she's coming to me. Take good care of her. I don't want you to do anything that will cause disrespect. And again, this time around, don't act smart. Please.
Okay, no problem.
Good luck to you guys, bro.
Thank you, Mr. Basti.
Good luck with that.
Thank you.
Hey. Before we go in there, I just want to say something. I know that you don't like me.
Mr. Eric, it's not that I don't like you. It's your attitude I don't like.
But I apologized.
It's alright. It's fine.
Anyway, I just want to suggest that, you should maybe stop calling me Mr. Eric when we're in there. We need to make it look a bit more real. So maybe use endearing names like honey, sweetheart, baby.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine?
It's okay.
Alright, ladies first.
Your place is nice.
Oh, thank you.
Son is here.
Mama.
Come here. Welcome
I've
home.
missed you.
Me too. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mom, yes, this is my wife-to-be. Her name is Omasiri, but we call her Oma. Honey, this is my amazing mother.
It's nice to meet you, Ma.
Eric, she's beautiful. I've always known you have eyes for good things. Come here, darling. You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, please take her to the room and take her to see your father. While I go to the kitchen to prepare something.
All right, Mom.
Thank you,
dear.
Ma.
You're welcome again.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. My reason for being here finally hits me. We need to close gaps.
Yes.
Okay. They'll ask questions like, where did we meet? How long have we been dating? And the likes of that. And our response must correspond. So let's put things together.
Yeah, we have to actually.
Okay.
Anyway, let me take you to the room.
What's that smile on your face? I'm serious.
Let's go.
It's good to see that you are becoming responsible. Huh? And the young girl I see, I think she's a sensible person. from what I saw. Although I've not been able to interrogate her, apart from when you brought her to the room to greet me.
Oh, my darling. Yes, mommy.
Is it ready?
Yes, ma.
Okay. Ooh. Smells nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma.
Thank you.
Where is she?
I think she's in the kitchen helping mom. Honey?
Let me turn it off then.
Oh, it's fine. Okay, all right.
Honey?
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, don't worry. When they are done, they can come and we'll talk. Okay. That's good.
Mommy, I just heard my name.
Oh, really?
Yes.
We are done, so we can join them.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
After the wedding, I have a reward for you. So hurry up and get done with it.
Of course, Dad. That's exactly what we're working on.
It's all right. This is great.
Darling.
You are welcome to my home.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. We didn't get to have an interaction when you came upstairs to greet me. So, what is your name, please?
My name is Omasiri Kalu Anaga.
Kalu Anaga.
Yes, sir.
That name sounds familiar. I used to work with a man who went by that name back in my civil service days. Okay. From where, please?
Ohofia in Abia State.
Ohofia?
Yes, sir.
Kalu Anaga?
Yes, sir.
Wait, oh. Did your father ever work with the railway corporation?
I was 7 years old when my father died. But I understand he used to be an accountant with the railway, sir.
That is it.
Carlos.
Kalu Anaga. Hey. Kalu Anaga. Oh. What of your mother? What has she been doing with herself? Did she remarry?
When my father died, her younger brother invited her to Ghana. That was where I did my primary and secondary school. But we lost him to death.
Oh, so sorry.
Oh.
But she's not feeling fine at the moment. So, yes.
So sorry.
It's okay. She's with her younger sister because I had to come here. Yes. But she never remarried, sir.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Kalu Anaga.
It's a small world.
You are Anaga's daughter.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to my home. This is your home. Let me tell you something. Your father and I were very close friends. In fact, I was just beside him when he passed on. Those of us who were close to him were just looking for your mother everywhere to see if we could, render some assistance. But we couldn't find her. Oh. Such a small world. Yes. Listen, Kalu Anaga, look, this is your home. This is your home. So feel free. You are not only my son's wife to be, you are also my daughter. Yes. Kalu Anaga. Oh, this is wonderful. Look at my friend's nose. I can see his face. This is wonderful.
Honestly. Oma. What? How long have you guys been dating?
Mom, we've been dating for 2 years now.
2 years.
Oh.
2 years. You didn't tell me.
This is wonderful.
It's good. I like her already. Darling,
Yes.
the table is set.
Please. I'm excited. Please, 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 please. This is wonderful. This is so great. I'm excited already.
Your parents are nice.
That's exactly what I wanted to discuss with you.
Okay.
Look, don't get carried away by the niceties of my parents and forget why you are here.
Can you please explain? Why this statement?
Just like I said, you are not my fiance. Okay?
Okay.
You're just acting out a role. None of this is real. So please do not get carried away by the niceties of my parents and get comfortable with their relationship with your late dad, only as a scheme to get married to me.
I don't like the word scheme. It depicts me as a manipulator. I don't like it.
Okay, please, pardon my words, but you already get the point I'm trying to make here. I have a fiance. She lives in the UK and she'll be back in no time. And when she comes back, the plan is to tell my parents that we broke up and have you leave so that I can bring her in as my woman-to-be.
Wait, have I done something to show you that I'm dying to marry you? I only complimented your parents and not you. So, what's all this one? What's wrong with that? You see why I say I don't like your attitude?
And I said I don't like yours either.
And what have I done to warrant your disdain for me?
I think you're too uptight.
I am not uptight. Yes, I only seem so to people like you who have no respect for a woman, or just you feel they are there to please you.
Well, you can say whatever you like.
I'm not sharing the bed with you, sorry. Just give me the duvet and a pillow. I'll lay on the floor.
Oh no, please, you're my guest. And I will not be sharing the bed with you. You can have it. I would sleep on the floor. Home sweet home.
Oma,
Good morning, ma.
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma.
You are awake already?
Yes, ma.
How was your night?
I slept well. How about you?
Fine. You've been cleaning?
Yes, ma.
Thank you.
And if you need anything else done, just let me know. I'll do it.
Yes.
You just go up and rest.
Thank you.
Good morning, Daddy.
Oh, good morning, darling.
Morning. How are you? I hope you slept well.
I did, sir.
Beautiful.
Ah, she has been cleaning.
That place is thick and span.
Oma, let me see you.
Okay.
Darling. Look, Oma is a good girl.
Yes, obviously.
Wow, this is the right woman for Eric. Honestly, for the first time, Eric impressed me. This one, honestly, Eric must marry her.
I made smoothie for both of you.
Wow.
Oh.
Thank you so much, Oma. Thank you. Where did you get fruit from?
I actually got them on my way here. Yes. I usually make smoothies for my mother every morning.
This is wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
This is exactly what my doctors advised me to take every morning before breakfast. This is divine intervention.
Honestly.
Look, let me tell you, even if Eric does not marry that girl, I will adopt her as a member of this family because of my late friend.
Besides, I don't even have a girl child.
Oh.
Better for me. Oh. But why do you think Eric will not marry her?
That girl is not Eric's type. Eric prefers those flashy and fake girls with long lashes and bleached skin who like to club every time.
Darling.
This girl is too decent for him. No. Eric is my son. I know him very well. Don't say I did not tell you.
I know he will marry her.
Okay, I am here.
At least for the first time, he made a good choice. He will marry her, don't mind. Eric. Ma, thank you.
Hey. How are you today?
I'm okay.
That's good. Take a look at this. You see this right here? That is Selena, my fiance. She's in the UK and she'll be back in a few days' time.
I've heard that before.
Oh, good. Just making sure that you've heard that before. So when you're trying to suck up to my parents, I want you to remember that you're on contract and it's going to end in a few days' time.
No problem.
That's fine. And I was even thinking about giving you a bonus. Maybe up the pay another 500k because you've played such a good role and I must commend you.
That's okay.
Hello, lovebirds.
Oh, hey mom.
I hope I'm not interrupting something.
Oh, no, not at all. She was just telling me that you guys are off to the market.
Yes, that's right. I'll wait for you outside, okay?
All right, mommy.
Please make it fast.
I'm right behind you.
All right.
Sweetie, don't keep me waiting.
Yes, come in. Oma, how are you?
Fine, Daddy. I'm fine, thank you. Um, Daddy, I came to tell you that I'll be leaving tomorrow.
Ha. Why so soon? Are you resuming work?
No, no, sir. My mother is not feeling well. And she's with her sister, so I need to go and take care of her.
Oh, yes. Don't worry, eh? She'll be fine.
Amen.
She'll be fine.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
When you get back, I want you to ensure that she gets the best medical attention. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If the money I'm going to give you now is not enough, feel free to call me. I will send you more money.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
So, open that drawer, get a pen and paper, write down your account details.
Hey, thank you, Daddy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm going to send you 500,000 naira. Get up, get up, get up.
Thank you.
Get up.
Thank you.
So, write down the... what are you doing now?
I currently don't have a job, sir. Yes, sir.
What is your educational qualification?
I have a master's degree in economics and statistics.
Oh, wow. That's impressive. As for the job, that will be sorted out soon. Don't worry. Get up and put your account details there.
Come in. The door is open.
Okay.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom.
Morning, mommy.
How was the night?
Fine. Fine.
Oh, are you guys not going to church?
Mom, I have to drop her off by 12 o'clock.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot. Oma,
Yes, ma'am.
I know you won't be around when I come back from church. So I have a little gift for you.
Oh.
Close. Come close. This is a sign of love for you, my daughter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Say me well to your mom.
Okay, ma'am.
And I would like to see you again. And very soon.
Oh. Okay.
Eric, make sure of that.
Okay, Mom.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Careful. So I guess you're home now. Can I get your details so I can send you the balance?
Please hold on. You may not know this, but I've been battling with my conscience for deceiving your parents and all. And considering the way they showed me love and welcomed me, it doesn't sit well with me. So, give me your account details so I can send the money you paid to me the other time. I don't need it, please.
Look, you don't have to do this. I actually give you the money from my heart.
It's fine. It's okay. I don't need it. Please, your details.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it.
Sent. Oh, yeah. It doesn't belong to me. And good luck with you and your fiance. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love, but this is out of the plan. Love took me on now, where something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love, but this is out of the plan. Love took me on.
Oma! 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 Hi. What? Hi, Oma. My goodness. It's me, Kelvin. Kelvin.
Oh, Kelvin!
Are you kidding me? Look at you. Look at you. Good afternoon, Ma.
Let me go inside and rest.
I will join you shortly.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you very much, Ma. You're welcome.
How have you been?
I've been great. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are you doing here?
Oh, this is my house. Just the next one.
Oh,
Yes,
really?
do you want to come in?
I'm good. Well, look at you. So you're finally done with school. You were bookworm.
I'm actually done with my service.
Oh, wow, cool.
So please, if you have connect me with job. Oh, I will appreciate you a lot.
I got you. But man, it's so good to see you.
Yeah,
My
you
goodness, you look really good.
Thank you.
You know, I asked a lot of our friends about you, kept asking a lot of people, but no one knew where you were. I even tried calling your line, the one that I have, but it wasn't going through.
Yes, I actually lost my phone and my SIM card, and I couldn't do welcome back.
Okay.
But why were you looking for me?
Quick confession, yeah?
Okay.
You know, back then in school, I really liked you. Like, really, really liked you. But I was kind of scared to ask you out because I saw how you treated people that asked you out. And so I didn't want to ruin our friendship. You know?
You should have asked. Yes, you never can tell.
For real?
I might have agreed. I
Wow.
actually liked you too, but back then.
Really?
I was just waiting for you to ask. Sure. But then again, I'm from a poor background and my mother worked hard for me to go to school. So my only priority was just school and school activities, and that's it. So I understand what you're saying, though.
Hey, you know what? You say you live here?
Yeah, just the next house.
Okay. I'll be checking on you. Just give me your number.
Okay. No, that's fine.
Sorry, 1 minute. It's good to see you too. It's been ages. How long now? I can't even remember.
Sweetie, please, sit down. Hey, I've missed you.
I've missed you too. Wow. It's so hot in Nigeria.
I know, right? Can I offer you something to drink?
Nothing. I want us to talk about the issue of marriage that I brought up when I was in the UK.
Yeah, sorry to jump on the topic like this, but marriage is what I also wanted to talk about. But I was only waiting for you to come back so that I could introduce you to my parents.
You see, I had enough time to think about us.
Okay.
There is a life I do not want to live as a married woman, Eric. And I want a husband that can complement that lifestyle. You and I enjoy clubbing and all that wildlife. We used to enjoy it while we were dating and having fun. But that is not the kind of life I want to live as a married woman. Do you understand?
Can you please explain a bit more?
I'm saying that when we get married, there'll come a time when you want to go out and I won't be able to go with you because I'll probably be pregnant, nursing children. And I know you. It's in you. You won't stop. How would I feel staying at home knowing that you're out there with somebody else?
Please, can you please explain what you're trying to say?
Eric, I'm saying that I love you with all my heart. And I don't want to die of jealousy knowing that you're out there with somebody else. That is why I want me a man that is calm and not given to that kind of lifestyle.
Okay, look, Selena, you love me and I love you too. Look, if this is what you want, I can stop. I promise you, I can stop clubbing. I can stop going out altogether.
Eric, I am sorry. I already made up my mind. I moved on with somebody else.
Selena, come on, you can't do this to me, please.
Eric, please
you can't
stand
do
up.
this to me. Please.
Eric, please stand up.
Look, I'm kneeling down because I want you to know how bad I want this. Please. Selena, please.
Eric, please, get up.
No, let me remain on my
Eric,
knees.
please, get up.
I want you to know how important this is to me.
I'm sorry. Please, get up.
Selena, please. Good day, Dad. Mom, this is Selena, my friend. She just came back from the UK.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Good to see you, Selena. Let's
You're
go upstairs.
welcome.
Selena, I was waiting for you to come back so that I could introduce you to my parents.
I'm sorry, Eric. We cannot work.
Selena, please, if you do this to me, I'll die.
Eric, I'm pregnant already.
Where is your guest?
She's gone.
Eric. Some time ago, I used to see that girl with you. After a while, I didn't see her anymore. Who is she to you?
She's my girlfriend, Mom.
Girlfriend? Eric, are you still dating her?
Look, Mom, she just got back from the UK and as it is, things are over between us.
It better end. Let it be over. You see, Yoma, your father and I have already endorsed her, and there's no going back on that. When you brought Oma to this house, you regained some kind of respect and trust from your father. Listen, Eric, better end what it is you have with these girls and stop moving around with these club girls. I hope Oma is coming this weekend.
I'll ask her, Mom.
Better do. And stop misbehaving.
Eric, do you want to keep beating yourself out because of a woman that jilted you? She's made a choice. She's moved on. You do the same.
Look, I'm in love with Celine. Why didn't she just call me to have a conversation?
That's because she knew that nothing on earth would have made you believe that she won't get married to you. And she's right. So stop going about this whole thing like you're mourning.
But I am, bro. Look, without her, I'm dead. She would have just asked me to change. I would have changed for her.
Eric, Selena doesn't want to have issues in a marriage. She doesn't want to keep thinking of whom you're with or where you are anytime you go out. That's why she took the bold step and got pregnant. You just have to move on.
She's really messed me up. Because of her, I lost Janet. And Janet was a very good girl.
Eric, you're far from understanding the problem. Forget about Selena and concentrate on the issue at hand. I understand that your brother is in town. Why don't you concentrate on Oma, whom you took to your parents and they sanctioned? Why don't you go after her before you lose her?
Look, I wronged her the last time, and I'm an example of the type of man that she does not like.
Eric, beg her. Whine her brains. She's a woman. See, even if she won't forgive you, she will forgive you for the sake of your parents, whom she respects. Help yourself, bro, before it's too late.
It's ringing, it's ringing.
Hello, Oma.
Hello, Daddy.
How are you?
I'm fine. I hope it's not too late to call you.
Oh, no, not at all. Not at all. So, how's everything? How's your mom?
She's better now. She just came back. And she insisted on speaking with you. I will give her the phone now.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Jane.
Johnson.
Hey.
So it's true you met with my daughter?
It is me, oh, it is me. So good to hear from you. When my son Eric brought her to my house to see me, I told her that we have been looking forward to seeing you since after your husband's burial. But she told me you relocated to Ghana. How are you?
I am fine. I thank God every day I wake up. I want to first of all thank you and your wife for not only accepting my daughter, but also being so nice to her and to me. And for the money, Johnson, God will replenish you in many folds.
Amen. It's nothing. It's nothing, please. Don't forget to always call on me whenever you need anything, okay? Look, your daughter will bring you to my house, so that you know where we live. And I'll also find time to get to know where you live, okay?
Thank you, Johnson. I'm sure my late husband's spirit will be happy wherever he is now, to know that the love you two share as brothers did not die. Okay, let me give the phone to Oma now. Okay. Thank you,
Hello? Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
You're welcome, my dear. I hope you're coming to spend the weekend with us.
Yes, I'm coming.
Aha! It's all right.
Good night, Daddy.
Good night, dear. Good night.
It's really a small world. Hey!
Very, very small.
Johnson.
Hi, Kelvin.
Hello, my darling.
Thank you for the gift you got me today. My mom gave them to me. And would you believe the ice cream was still frozen when I got back?
You're welcome. And don't worry, we'll definitely do it again.
I loved it. Thank you.
I know a very nice ice cream parlor at my area. So we'll go there together sometime.
Really? That's nice. I like it. I like that. Thank you.
Yeah. Amma, I've been thinking about you so much. I really don't want to lose you again. Please, have you thought about my proposal for marriage?
Yes, I have. I've thought about it, but why must we hurry?
Amma, we've known each other for years. There's literally nothing we don't know about each other. We've been friends since school. So why the wait?
Kelvin, it's just that I have a lot of things on my hand right now, and I need to clear it before I can make any commitments.
Are you married?
No.
But that's not a problem then, okay? No buts, please. Listen, I'll tell you what. I'm traveling to Abuja tomorrow, but I'll be back by a weekend. And when I come back, I'm coming to your place to pick you up so I can take you to my parents. I'd like to introduce you to my parents, okay?
But Kelvin...
Listen, baby, it's you and I forever now. I'm not letting you go, okay?
Okay, until then, no problems.
Alright, love.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong.
How could you be part of such lies and deceit?
Mama, I'm sorry, but we needed the money for your hospital bills. And I returned it. I returned the money back to them. It wasn't intentional. I'm really sorry, Mama.
Well, first thing tomorrow morning, you go to him and explain everything. Then go on your knees and beg him for forgiveness. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama. Sorry, Mama, I'm really sorry.
My dear, please greet him very well when you get there, okay? And if he's still offended, call me so that I can join in begging him. Oh? Okay, dear. Oh?
What is he doing?
Do you know him?
That's Eric.
Oh,
Good afternoon, ma.
good afternoon, my son. You're welcome. Who am I greeting?
My name is Eric Johnson, in Bay.
Oh, I see. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm very well, ma.
Hope all is well.
Of course, all is well.
So how is your father? Please, my regards to him, when you get back. Hmm?
Oma, I hope I'm not interrupting anything. Were you on your way out?
I'm going to your house. I want to go and apologize to your parents for lying and deceiving them.
Okay, look, I understand. But there'll be no need for that. You don't have to burden that guilt on yourself. Look, I actually came here to tell you that I want us to make it real. I want to get married to you.
What? Wait, say that again.
Look, Oma, I want us to make it real because I want to get married to you.
Are you even serious? Are you joking right now?
Of course I'm serious.
Eric, before you see the other side of me, right now, I want you to leave my house.
Oma, come
Get out! Leave! Mama, can you imagine that?
My dear, I understand your anger. But you shouldn't have shouted or ordered him out like that. Yes, it's not proper. This matter should be discussed peacefully so that you people can remain friends even if marriage does not work out. Hey, please. Is it the one? Calm down. Oh, just calm down. Calm down. No.
Mama, can I still go and see Daddy and tell him?
Calm down first, okay? You will go, but I will tell you when. Okay?
Okay.
Calm down, Biko. Oh, Oma. Calm down. Talk to him now. Oma.
Oh, thank you. Oh, okay, just let me. Thank you. That's the way I like it.
Nice, right? Darling. I'm thinking we should fast track Eric's wedding with Oma.
I'm thinking along that line too. But first, I would like to send Oma on a course so that she can join us in the company. You know, She will be an advantage, and also be a check on Eric when he's giving some important assignments in the company.
You are right. But have you told her yet?
Not yet. In fact, where's my phone? Me.
Yeah, huh?
Hello, Mr. Bassi.
Are you already on your way?
Yes, I'm already in your compound.
Oh, you want my compound?
I hope Mr. Eric is not there because I don't
Okay,
want to see
come
him.
in, come in. Hi. Oh,
Sir.
you're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Please sit.
Thank you.
So what do I offer you?
Nothing, I'm fine, thank you.
Sure.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Oma,
Yes, sir.
I want you to understand that I have a relationship with you. And I take your mother as an older sister or an auntie. And that's because of the role she played advising my wife before she died. In that regard, I see you as a younger sister. And I will never, ever lead you astray. It's about my friend Eric. Oma, good things in life does not start smoothly. Eric told me exactly what happened. I asked him to go back to you since Selena declined.
Mr. Bassi, are you trying to say that I should marry him or marry me? And you know this is not love. He doesn't love me. So why am I getting married to him? To please or for him to gain something from his parents? Is that what you're saying?
Oma, good things in life comes in funny ways. I understand that you having fracas with Eric. Selena might have declined for you to get in. And that is God's intervention. So, allow God to complete what He has started. You see, let's look at it from this angle. Here we are, talking about you playing a part of being his fiance. Little did you know that you were going to meet your benefactor. A man that has been looking for you and your mother for years to bless. And it is gradually gearing into real marriage. Let's not ignore that.
Mr. Bassi, Eric made me feel terrible. He made me feel like a piece of shit. Each time I smiled to his parents to savor their love, he would remind me. He was constantly reminding me that their love was not for me but for Selena. I felt really, really bad. I have never felt so unwanted in my life before. I don't think I can do this, sir.
Oh, I understand. And I'm sorry about that. Like I said, good things don't come easy. Now things have turned around for good. Yes. So why don't you give him audience? Just hear him out and hear what he wants to say. Please.
I know you're looking out for me. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. I reconnected with an old friend. He proposed marriage. And I agreed.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it. Something's happening to me.
Just be calm, okay? I will talk to her.
A feeling so
She will listen to you.
strong,
You're welcome.
and I
You're
can't
welcome.
help it.
Just please. She's here.
Mama, good afternoon.
Welcome.
What are you doing here? I thought I told you my position already.
Keep quiet, Oma. What has come over you? Aren't you seeing me with him?
I'm sorry, Mama.
Listen, Oma. I know you're hot, okay? But sometimes things start badly and end well. Yes. There is always a reason for something that happens. And we cannot judge until we know. Like I said earlier, I know you're hot. But hear him out, at least. I will excuse the both of you to talk, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
That's it. Look, Oma, I know that I've done silly things and I've been cruel to you. And the way I handled the issues with Selena was very poor, and I just want you to know that I'm sorry.
So what about Queen of the Coast? Queen Selena, whose position I'm not worthy to take? Now you're back to me. Oh. Eric.
Look, Oma, it's not that I didn't like you, but my attention was somewhere else. And that's why the whole thing happened between you and I, because I didn't want an entanglement. And when I love deeply. As soon as Selena left the picture, my eyes opened and I saw you for who you really are. So please.
I'm sorry, Eric. It's too late. I reconnected with my old-time friend and he proposed marriage. I know him better and I like him. I hardly know you. The only side of you I know is the wrong ones.
Look, the wrong side of me that you say you know is not me. Look, I have changed. And I've changed for the better. Please, just give me a chance.
Please stop kneeling. Please, get up.
Something's happening to me.
Please, Oma, can you forgive me for the sake of my parents? At least.
A feeling so strong.
Eric, why are you messing with my mind? Why are you messing with me? You're just making me confused. This whole thing is just... I'm confused.
And I can't help it.
Look, I know this might not be the right time, but I brought this back and I thought you should have this. Okay?
I'm confused. Why is Eric messing with me? Why is he messing with my mind? I was supposed to go to his parents' place today to confess so I can ease my conscience, but no! Now he's talking marriage, like real and actual marriage.
Accept his proposal. I want you to get married into that family. His parents loves you.
What about the old friend that proposed marriage to me? So what about the old friend who proposed marriage to me? He's supposed to take me to his parents' place to meet them. What am I going to do with that? This whole thing is... My head is about to blow up. I'm very, very confused. I don't even know what to do or say. I don't even know what to think.
Look, you don't have to be confused. Use your head. Yes. Eric is a nice guy. And when he loves, he's committed. Just like he was with Selena. You saw it. Use your head.
He's the one. I told him where to pick me, so I guess he's outside.
Let me see you off so I can see this Mr. Man.
Why are you putting it on cold?
Eric.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm okay.
Kelvin.
Hey, yo. B for Bassi.
So, bro?
What's good? What's good?
Omar. You see the guy you're talking about?
Yes, this is him.
Whoa. I see something is going on here. You guys know each other?
Yes, he's my big brother.
Big brother.
Eh?
I see. Interesting. Wow. Yo, bro, I'm so sorry I couldn't make it yesterday, man. Just busy, you know.
It's fine, I understand. Always busy.
Wow, interesting. Small world.
What a small world.
I see. Small world.
It's alright.
Bro, we'll see some other time. Okay? You're welcome. Are you good?
Not quite, but I'll be okay. You know Mr. Bassi?
Yeah. He's a family friend. We've known each other since we were kids. Matter of fact, he's more than a brother to us.
Okay.
How did you know him?
He's my mother's client.
Oh,
Yeah,
I see.
she cleans his apartment and you know she's a cleaner.
Yeah, you told me.
Sometimes I help her out.
As you should. As you should. Don't worry, when we get married, I'll make sure I reconstruct and reorganize the whole cleaning business. We'll turn it to a proper company, you know, buy better equipment and employ staffs. So you don't get to clean, instead you be the supervisor and your mother can rest. Okay, we'll name the company after her. What do you think about that? Sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You know the streets.
Yeah, of course. It's the way to my house.
You live on the streets?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Seems you know this area.
Yes, my family friend live somewhere here.
Oh, I see. Interesting.
Yes.
Interesting. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
I'm so pressed right now. I need to pee.
Then just park somewhere here and pee. Oh, are you shy? Don't worry, I will stay.
Oh, come on, please. I don't just like peeing by the roadside.
Oh,
I'll just hold it till I get home.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you.
I thought you were just shy.
You're not serious, Oma. Shy of what? Shy of you? Come on.
It's possible.
Oh, please. Cut me some slack.
I'll try. It's okay.
But I'm really, really pressed. Like super pressed.
Sorry, I can imagine.
It's
I can
really
really
bad.
imagine.
It's too
Sorry.
bad.
Oh, sorry.
Shit.
Are we close?
Yeah, we're close. Actually, we're really, really close. Yeah, we're here. Yeah, we're here.
Where?
Yeah.
Kelvin.
Home sweet home.
This is your house?
Yeah, it's my house. Okay, I'm coming. Let me just open the gates.
Hey.
Are you good?
Eh?
Ooh, press. Are you pressed too?
Eh?
Are you pressed too? You want to use the restroom? You're pressed? Okay.
Oma, you're here.
Yes, ma.
Oh, come, let me take you in. You're welcome. Welcome, darling. Come in. Your wife is here.
Oma.
Oh,
Thanks for coming.
love is a beautiful thing. Oma, I have something to show you. Let me go and get it, okay? Just wait, I'm coming. Oh.
Oma, I'd like to speak to you in private if that's okay.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Hey, thanks for coming. I mean, now that we're together, we might as well just pick the date for our wedding and then proceed to telling our parents. What do you think?
Eric, there's a problem.
There's a problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
You remember the old acquaintance I told you about that proposed marriage to me?
Yes, I remember you told me a story like that, and I told you not to consent to it.
I sought Mr. Bassi's advice, and he told me to play along with the guy and go to his parents' house, meet them, and then find a reason to call it off. I followed the guy to his house. This is the house. The guy in question is Kelvin, your brother.
Kelvin?
Yes.
My brother?
Yeah.
Where is Oma?
Oma? Well, I brought her in and left her here with Eric. Anyway, when you see her,
in my life, I did not know that Kelvin was your brother. Never. It didn't occur to me at any point. And I never connected him to this family because he goes by Kelvin Johnson and not Ilodibe. So this whole thing now is just a...
Look, it's too late and we've already come this far. My parents have already approved us. So we're just going to go ahead and pick our wedding date. You know what? Wait for me. Let me go and see if my dad is free so we can discuss this with my dad. I'll be right back.
Oma, what are you doing here? I've been looking for you all over the house.
Kelvin, please just sit down now. Sit.
Sit down.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Kelvin, please sit.
What's up?
You remember when you proposed marriage to me and I told you I needed space to clear some things up? Eh?
Yeah? Oma, come on, speak up. What's happening?
I'm speaking. Eric is what I needed to clear. Eric proposed marriage to me. I didn't know he was your brother. I didn't.
Eric.
Yeah.
Eric proposed marriage to you.
Yes.
You're being serious? Are you guys in a relationship?
No, we're not.
Is there any strings or attachment whatsoever?
No.
No.
Eh.
So what's the problem? I don't see this as that much of an issue.
Kelvin, the whole thing started with...
Come in, please.
Good day, Dad.
Yes.
Oma is around. I was wondering if I could bring her to see you.
Sure, please bring her in.
Okay.
So that was what happened. I didn't want to go ahead with the plan, but I needed the money for hospital bills. And Mr. Bassi, he advised me to go ahead with the plan, and that was what I did.
So why didn't you tell me about this?
Are my eyes deceiving me? What is going on here?
Eric, can you please sit down? We need to talk.
There's nothing I need to speak to you about. But I'll get back to that. Omar, we need to go and see my dad right away.
That's exactly what I'm talking about. We need to talk about that before she leaves.
There is nothing, and I repeat, that I'm going to talk to you about, brother. Omar, like I said, we need to go and see my dad.
I insist that we have this discussion before Omar leaves this room.
We're not going to have any kind of discussion. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Omar. You know that you're getting on my nerves right now, right?
Actually, brother, you're the one who's actually getting on my nerves.
So you now feel you have the audacity to stand up to me?
Mom, there's a problem. There's a problem. Please take me to Dad.
Mama, what is it? Are you alright?
Kelvin and Eric, they are fighting.
Fighting?
Yes, ma.
Why?
Both of them proposed marriage to me at the same time.
Eric and Kelvin proposed marriage to you. Oh my goodness, my children.
You know, I'm pretty sure the reason you don't want to have this conversation is because you know you have no stake in this.
I have no stake?
Yes.
You're the one who just came back 3 days ago.
No.
And you're here trying to take my woman. The same woman I'm trying to introduce to mom and dad as my wife-to-be.
Oh God, that bullshit.
Bullshit.
The lies. That wasn't real. And you know it. She told me everything.
What is going on here?
You're bluffing in my face.
What is
You're the
going
one who's
on?
bluffing, actually.
Everything was when you bring down your voices! Eric, what is going on here?
Mom, the same woman I am introducing to you as my wife-to-be, he's here claiming her.
Look, can you even listen to yourself right now? Your wife-to-be? There was no wife. There is no wife because it's fake.
Can you just calm down? Can you just keep quiet and
The introduction was fake.
Kelvin! Eric, it's enough. Listen, bring down...
Mom, the introduction, the proposal, everything is fake.
Can you just calm down? Let's settle this.
You're talking about wife-to-be. Wife-to-be my ass.
Kelvin. Eric. It's all right. I have heard both of you. And I'm not going to say anything now. I am going to take this matter to your father.
Mom, I need you to let him understand that I and Omar have come a long way. You and Dad are aware of it. So I am not going to give up on her.
I am not giving up on Omar either.
I said it's all right. I don't want further argument from both of you until we hear from your father. Do I make myself clear? Kelvin, to your room. Now. Eric.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong.
Omar, how could you lie to us?
Mommy, I'm not proud of that act. My mother was seriously sick when Eric made the proposal to me and I needed the money. He made it seem like it could be easily corrected because he was expecting his girlfriend from the UK. Immediately I left here, I returned the money to him. I felt really bad and I felt very, very sad. I couldn't even look at you in the face. My mother forced me to come and tell you what happened. And that was what I did.
That lunatic you saw with Eric in the sitting room is the girl Eric wanted to marry. When she turned him down, Eric switched back to her.
Yes, because I was surprised when he came back to me proposing marriage. And I told him that I reconnected with an old friend and he had already proposed, but he wouldn't have it. He kept on pushing and pushing and he persuaded my mom and she said I should accept his proposal because of you.
Oma, let me ask you one question. Who exactly do you...
No. Don't go there, please. That will be putting her on the spot. Let her be the one to make that decision when she's ready. Listen, whether or not you decide to marry any of my sons will not stop my decision to have you as part of this family. I have already said that.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Your apology is accepted, given the circumstances that prompted your actions. Good enough, you justified yourself by returning the money to Eric. So that's a good sign.
It's fine.
That's something positive.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
It's fine. It's fine.
Please get up. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Thank you.
My wife says you will accompany her somewhere, after which she will take you home.
Okay.
So when next you are coming, please come with your credentials and your CV. Let's see what we can do.
Thank you, Daddy.
No,
Thank
it's
you.
okay. Get up. Get up. It's okay.
It's fine.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
okay.
Sorry. Thank you.
It's fine. It's fine. Please wait at the sitting room. Eh?
Okay, Daddy.
It's fine. It's fine.
Darling, can't you see that this girl has been destined to be our daughter-in-law?
Abby?
Otherwise, why will two brothers be fighting over her? But my main problem is, what if she makes her decision and the one not accepted develops animosity towards her?
Well, I have this feeling that the matter will be resolved peacefully.
You think so?
I know so.
Okay. Say so.
I trusted you and agreed to your advice. Why didn't you guide me when it mattered most?
You were talking about me not warning you that Kelvin is Eric's brother, right?
Yes! If you had told me, I wouldn't have followed him to their house. I have never in my life found myself in that kind of situation before.
I am sorry. I'm sorry that I didn't tell you. But then, something positive came out of it. The naughty issue has been ironed and you had the opportunity to tell the truth.
Yes, but the matter is still lingering.
But you should tell who you prefer. The ball is in your court.
Mr. Bassi, the issue is not my choice here. What happens if I choose A over B or vice versa? These are blood brothers we're talking about here. What happens if I get married to one? What will be my relationship with the other one? That is the problem.
What do you intend to do now?
His father said things will sort itself out in due time, so I guess I have to wait.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it.
Are you serious? I wish Eric had left you alone. But it will be proper to choose him. Because if his younger brother gets married before him, it will look as if he's unserious. And that may have accounted for his desperation. Yes.
Daddy said I should call him tomorrow.
Honestly, I thank God for bringing him back to our lives. Some people will prefer their children marrying from rich home instead of cleaner's daughter. But I've always believed that God will not let me down. Chukwu okike abịama. Daalụ.
Amen.
Oh, Adamoma. Ewe.
Eric, I am here to plead with you to forget about Oma. Please. Just leave her for your brother, Kelvin. Listen, son, you have so many girls in your life you can pick from. You know, Kelvin, he's not into all that. Just leave this one for him. I beg you. Please, there's no point fighting your brother over a woman.
Mom, with all due respect, I would do no such thing. He knows what he's doing. He does not want me to head that office in the UK, and he knows it. And he's doing this intentionally to me. So look, if I'm not going to have Oma, he's not going to have Oma. Better speak to her to leave.
Eric, I am begging you as a mother. Please, I do not want my children to have problem over a woman. You are the elder brother. Just let Oma be for your younger brother. I beg you. Please.
Mom, I'm sorry, but I cannot do this.
Eric. Eric.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love, but this is out of the plan. Love took me on now, where something's happening to me. A feeling so strong.
Oh, my son.
Good day, ma.
Good day, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
You are here to see Oma, right?
Yes, is Oma around?
Oh yes, she's inside.
Okay.
Let me call her for you.
Oh no, wait, ma. I got something for you.
Really?
Yes, ma.
All this for me?
Yes.
Hey! Oh, thank you, my son.
You're very welcome, ma.
May God replenish you in many folds.
Amen.
Don't worry, let me call her, okay?
Ma, please, I would like to speak with you about something.
Really? You want to speak with me?
Yes, ma.
Okay, please, let's sit. But I hope it's not serious.
No, no.
Okay. Okay. Thank you once again.
You're welcome, ma. Ma, it's about Oma. You see, I would like to marry her. She plays a very vital role in my life, and I was hoping that maybe you could help me speak with her.
My dear, it's Oma's choice to make. I can only chip in and advise whenever it's necessary. But don't worry, just talk to her. I'm sure she likes you too.
Okay, ma.
Okay, let me go out.
Alright.
Alright. Oma! Oma! You have a visitor? Yes.
Hello, Eric.
Hey. I got you something.
Thank you. Thank you for all the gifts. We're grateful. And I'm sorry about what happened the other day, but I just had to leave. Sorry.
Oma, it's really okay. It's alright. I mean, that's in the past now.
Okay.
I just want you to know that you never regret marrying me.
Okay, there's something I must tell you. Something a lot of people don't know. The truth is,
Eric?
Kelvin.
Hi, Oma.
hello, Kelvin.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I got this for you. You can have it. Come on.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Oma, please, if you don't mind, I would like to talk to you privately.
She can't do that. Can't you see that she's speaking with me?
And who says she can't talk to me? Since when do you start speaking for her?
Kelvin, I said that she can't speak with you.
And I said you have no power or right to determine who she speaks with.
Says who?
Says me. Come on, please come.
Kelvin, I told you, and I'm going to tell you again.
Stop it, both of you. Stop
Eric,
it.
Eric, respect yourself.
Stop
and who's
it.
being respectful right now?
What is going on here?
Ma, I was over here speaking with Oma, and then he comes barging in and saying that he would like to speak with her while he sees me speaking with her.
Look, whatever is happening here shouldn't be happening. There should be an understanding between both of you.
Good day, ma.
Good day.
He has no right to tell me not to speak to Oma. I have every right to talk to Oma whenever I want to because she is my woman.
And what gives you the right to speak over her?
And what gives you the right to think you're in control of who she speaks with and who she doesn't want to speak with?
You don't have any rights over her.
Just stop it,
Says
both
you?
of you.
Says
Stop.
you?
Stop! Please, Right now, whatever both of you want to say to Oma, please say it on the phone. But sorry, I want both of you to leave.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry for this display of immaturity. I deeply apologize.
It's okay.
Oma. Oma. We'll talk on phone.
Please.
Ma, please, I'm very sorry. Do accept my apologies. Oma, I'll speak with you later.
Okay.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong.
What is really going on?
And I can't
Why all this?
help it. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love. But this is out of the plan. Love took me on now, where something's happening to me.
Hello, Eric.
Hey, Oma. Good evening. Hey, I just wanted to call to apologize for the show of shame I and my brother put up in your house in front of your mother. I'm really so sorry.
It's okay. I will tell her you called and apologize. Just fine.
Okay, that's fine. Regarding the reason why I came that day, have you thought about it? And have you made up your mind so that I and my brother can stop having bouts about this?
Okay. But before I say anything further, you know I was about to say something before the whole thing happened that time, so there is something I want to talk to you about.
Okay, that's fine. You can tell me. I mean, love is understanding, right? And I don't feel like there's nothing you can't tell me. So please, I'm ready. You can tell me.
Okay. So the thing is, 2 years ago, I was raped by robbers on my way from school. And I was so ashamed that I kept it to myself. But after a while, I summoned the courage and I spoke out. And I was advised to go to the hospital to do some checkups to just be safe. And it was found out that I have HIV. Although they caught it early, so I started medications immediately. What I'm trying to say is, I have HIV, Eric. Hello? Eric, are you there?
I'm here. Look, I'm sorry. I didn't know any of this happened to you. And I didn't know you were living with HIV. I mean, I know some people live with it, but your personality and your lifestyle doesn't say that this is who you are. But sorry, can I ask you a question? Does my family and Kelvin, do they know about this?
No. I haven't told them. I'm just telling only you because it's you, my mother, and Mr. Bassett chose. That's why I'm telling you.
Okay. Thank you for the vote of confidence. I appreciate it.
Hello. So, are we still going to go ahead with the marriage?
Please, can you give me some time to think about it and then I'll get back to you.
Okay. If you say so, that's fine. Bye-bye.
Jesus! HIV positive. What?
Sam?
What is it?
Mom, are you aware that Oma is HIV positive?
It's a lie. What? Why would you say that?
Mom, because she just told me a few minutes ago.
My goodness. Ah. For how long has she had it?
I don't know, maybe 2 years or something. I can't tell.
2 years. Then it's nothing. But I think she has handled it well all these years, so I don't think there's any problem there.
You mean that this is nothing? And I should go ahead and marry her like that?
Eric, there's nothing there. Look at Oma. Does she look like a HIV patient? I mean, she has handled it well all these years, so I see nothing wrong in you marrying her. I don't know why you're scared.
Mom, look, to be honest, I don't think I can. I'm sorry.
Too bad. Too bad, Eric. Oma will be heartbroken. And your father won't like this at all. You know, we're expecting that both of you get married. But this, no. Eric. Eric. Love is about sacrifice. There's some sacrifice you make for a loved one and they will know you truly love them. And not there for what you gain. Oma is a good girl. Yes.
Mom, look, I understand all that you're saying, but I'm sorry, I don't think I can marry her, Mom. I don't think I can.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it.
Is it true? And why didn't you ever tell me?
Because I didn't know you were serious. And people usually leave when they know the truth. So
Well, thank God you've been able to manage it properly all these years. And by God's grace, you'll live long enough to see your children and grandchildren.
amen. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.
You're welcome. I actually came by just to, encourage you so you don't lose hope.
Kelvin, what happens to us? To your marriage proposal?
Why? Huh? Why, God, why? I never saw this one coming. What am I gonna do?
Son,
Hi, Mom.
are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just, I'm good. Mom, quick question, yeah? What would you and Dad think about me getting married to Oma?
Calvin, Oma is like a daughter to me.
So you don't mind me marrying her despite her HIV status?
Son, relating with her as a daughter is different from living with her as a husband. So you see, my opinion doesn't count here, but yours.
I'm going to marry her.
What?
Yeah.
Are you joking?
Nope.
Do you know what you want to put yourself into?
I think I can cope with it, Mom. Amma she's the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. So yeah, I'll cope with it.
Kelvin, it is HIV we're talking about here.
Don't worry. Okay. I'll be fine. It was nice chatting with you. Okay. Good night.
Something's happening to me. A feeling so strong, and I can't help it. I guess this is how it feels to be touched by love, but this is out of the plan. Love took me on now, where something's happening to me.
Jane.
Johnson.
Hey, you are welcome. I'm so happy to see you.
Same here.
Hey.
Jane, good to see you.
Please.
Thank you.
Jane. Oma is also our daughter.
Oh, yes. What do we offer you?
Oh, we're fine. Yes.
Oh, it's okay.
Yes. Okay.
Look, Jane, you are free to visit as many times as you wish. This is now your home. Please, feel free.
Thank you.
Let me tell you something. Your days of hunger and suffering are over. Oh, yes. If my late friend, your husband, were in my shoes today, he would do the same thing for my family.
God will continue to bless you, Johnson. Thank you for everything. Dora, thank you very much. You and your family will not lack help in times of need.
Amen.
Thank you.
It's okay. Oma, did you bring the documents I asked you to bring?
Yes, Daddy. I did.
All right.
Hi, Oma.
Hello, Kelvin.
Good evening, man.
Oh, good evening, my son.
Kelvin, go and call your brother.
All right, Dad.
This is so impressive. First class in economics. Look at this one.
Oma.
See this one. Master's degree in statistics.
I am shocked.
This is the kind of brain we need in the company.
Exactly.
Good evening, Mom.
Good evening, my son. Thank you.
Good day, Dad.
How are you?
Very well, Mom.
Gentlemen. I have called both of you here to let you know of my intention to adopt Omasiri as a member of this family. Oh, yes. I'm going to send her on a course in Nigeria and in the United Kingdom, where she will undergo 6 months of intensive training, after which she will be absorbed as a worker in the company.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Josie. God will continue to bless you.
Amen. Amen.
You and your wife, you will live long in good health to see your great grandchildren.
Jane, please stand up. Please stand up. It's fine, stand up.
Mama, sit down. Man is not God. Sit down.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sit down. These are the things we do for ourselves. It's like doing it for my own daughter.
Right.
Look, if not for your husband, my late friend, I would not have been able to further my education abroad. But that is a story for another day. Eric here brought Oma to us as his wife-to-be. But along the line, he opted out for reasons best known to him. However, Kelvin sticks to his desire to marry her. So, whether it is Erico or Kelvin, she's our daughter. And they're not our children. It is the same 10 and 10 pence. So, congratulations, Kelvin and Oma. Please go possess your possessions.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Sit by your wife. Congratulations. Yeah.
Congratulations, my son.
Yes, so, it is wonderful.
Congratulations.
Mm-hmm.
Oma,
Huh?
I have something to give to you.
Oh, so what?
It keeps coming back to you. Come here. Welcome to the family. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Ma. I love you, daughter, and you know it.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. Stand up.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thanks, darling.
You're welcome.
One more thing. About your HIV status. I don't need to say much, but since you have carried it this far...
HIV status?
Daddy, I don't have HIV.
What?
Yes, I'm not HIV positive.
What?
It was a plan I came up with to know who really loved me between Eric and Kelvin. Yes, it's. I just wanted to know who loved me enough to sacrifice for me. I knew Kelvin loved me and I love him too, but I wanted to be sure. So I put them to a test. That's it. Yeah.
How could you do this to me? I mean, I loved you too. You know this, right?
Eric, my son. You met the wrong woman. You see that lady seated there? Oh, Masri. She is too smart to be used. That girl saw right through you and you proved her right. Well, oh my God. We are here. Kelvin and Oma will proceed to the UK. Oma will start her training, and Kelvin, you will manage the branch over there.
What?
Wow. The wedding preparations will begin immediately.
Congratulations, son.
Mommy, thank you.
Jane, we have a wedding to plan. In fact, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Daddy.
You earned it. You earned it, my dear. You earned it.